This is your electricity chapter numerical question which was being asked in the board. I'll be dealing with the questions from 2019 to 2023. So the question goes, an electric refrigerator rated 400 watt is used for 8 hours a day. An electric iron box rated 750 watt is used for 2 hours a day. Calculate the cost of using these appliances for 30 days if the cost of 1 kilowatt is rupees 3. So, first thing you have to remember is, here what they are telling is, they are using two appliances. One is your electric refrigerator. The other one is what? That is nothing but your iron box. That is your electric iron box. For both of them, the power consumption and the time per day is also being given. So the power consumption for an electric refrigerator is how much? It is 400 watt. For how many hours a day it is being used? It is used for 8 hours a day. Similarly, an electric iron box, what is the power it is being used? It is nothing but 750 watt. How many hours a day it is being used? It is used for 2 hours a day. Now, they are telling us to calculate how much amount of power is being consumed for 30 days. For how many days they are asking? For 30 days. So now let us calculate. For whenever you are solving these kind of question, you have to remember, you have to find the power individually for your electricity, that is your electric refrigerator separately, and you also have to calculate the power consumption used for your electric iron box. Now the solution goes. So what we have to find, I told you, you have to find for the electric refrigerator. So I'll just write down here electric refrigerator. What and all they have given? They have given us what is the watt which has been used. That is nothing but your power. Power is equals to 400 watt. Then they are asking you for how many hours per day they have been used. Time is how much? It is equals to 8 hours. They are telling you to calculate for how many days. Days is equals to 30 days. Now what you have to calculate? So total energy consumed by the refrigerator. We should know the formula, that is nothing but what? Energy is equals to power into time. So now what is the power used? Power is how much? It is equals to 400 watt into time should be taken for 1 day, and for how many days they are asking? That is 30 days. 8 into 30. So this will be how much? 400 into 8 into 30. So you can just multiply. So you will be getting what? 4 8s are how much? It is 32 into how much? It is 30. So now, so this will be how much? 3 2s are 6, and then 3 3s are 9, followed by how many zeros? 1 2 3. So can I write it as, how many zeros are there? This is 1 2 3. So this is nothing but what? This is 1000. 1000 indicates that what? It is 1 kilo. So 1 kilo is equals to how much? It is equals to 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. So can I write it as 96 kilowatt? Okay. Now the next part. Now the same thing how we calculated for your refrigerator, the same thing you have to calculate for your electric iron box. So now coming to total energy consumed by the electric iron. Okay, now same formula, that is E is equals to P into T. So how much is power consumed here? That is in electric iron box. What is the power consumed? Which is equals to 750 watt. And then time, how much they have given? Time is equals to 2 hours. They are telling us to calculate for how many days? 30 days. So which is nothing but what? E is equals to P into T. Now just substitute the value. 750 into 2 into 30. Now just multiply. So this will be how much? 750 into 6, 30 into 2, how much? It will be 60. Now you have to just multiply. 6 5s are 30. 3 carry. Now 6 7s are how much it is? 42. 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45. How many zeros? 1, 2. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. Initially, I already told you 1 kilowatt is how much? It is equals to 1000 watt. So can I write it as 45 kilowatt? Okay, now I have already found the value of how much power consumed individually by your refrigerator and by the electric iron. Now they are asking us to find the how much amount is how much total consumption of energy is there, both of them. Okay, now so what we will do, energy is equals to, let us take this as E1, let us take this as E2. E is equals to E1 plus E2, which is nothing but how much? Which is 96 plus 45 kilowatt. So 96 plus 45 is how much? It is equals to 141 kilowatt. Am I clear? And we already calculated what is the total energy consumed by both the electric appliances, that is nothing but your refrigerator and your iron box. We got the total energy consumed, that is nothing but E is equals to how much? 141 kilowatt. Now what they are telling, the second question is, calculate the cost of using appliance for 30 days. This is we have already calculated. If the cost of 1 kilowatt is 3 rupees. 1 kilowatt is how much? It is equals to 3 rupees, correct na? So now we have already got how much energy we have been consumed, that is nothing but equals to E is equals to 141 kilowatt per unit. How much they have told? It is equals to 3 rupees. Write out per unit how much? It is equal cost is equals to 3 rupees. What you have to do, just multiply, that is 141 into 3. So now how much? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, then 3 ones are again 3, 3 plus 1 is how much? It is equals to 4. So how much is the cost? The cost is equals to 423 rupees. Am I clear? This is the solution. So remember, you have to calculate the whole value. Whatever, if let us take, they have given 3 appliances. Like let us take, they have given refrigerator. Let us take, they have given a grinder or electric iron or something like this. All these 3 separate, you have to calculate the how much ever the total energy it is being used. That total energy will let us consume. Let us take 3 appliances. So E1, E2 and E3. So total energy consumed is nothing but what? E is equals to E1 plus E2 plus E3. After getting the whole value, then whatever the cost of per cost they have been given, that you have to just multiply. That is your answer. That's all is your solution. Next question. So this was been asked in the year 2019 June. So either this will be asked for 1 marker question, either they can ask you in your MCQs, else they can ask you in your 2 marker question. So the question goes, a bulb is marked 220 volt and 40 watt. Calculate the current flowing through the bulb and its resistance. This is very easy. The only thing they are asking what? They are asking only 2 things. One thing, they are asking you to calculate the current flowing through the bulb and the resistance they have been asking. Now, whatever the solution is there, so what they have given, so that is nothing but what? V is equals to 220 volt. Then they have given power. Power P is equals to how much? It is equals to 40 watts. I know the formula, that is current. Current is represented by what? It is being represented by I. Current is equals to power consumed divided by the voltage, or we can also call it as what? Potential difference. Now, power is equals to, that is I is equals to, P is how much? It is equals to 40 divided by 220 volts. Now, 10 and 10 will get cancelled. 2 how much? 2 2s are 2 11s are. So, I is equals to 2 by 11. Now what you should do, divided by 11. So how much? So I will take the point. So this will become how much? It will become 20. So 11 ones are 11. So remainder will be how much? It will be 9. Then you have how much? Then you have point is already taken. So I have to take it as 0. 11 how much? 11. 8s are 88. So what is the remaining? So remaining is how much? It is 2. Again a point is there. So this will be again 11. So again how much? Ones are, this will be how much? It will be 11. So how much it will be? So your remaining will be thing. So you must remember that I is equals to 0.18 1. So what is the unit for I? I is nothing but what? Denoted by A. A is nothing but what? It is called as your ampere. So remember, whenever you are getting a recurring decimal, correct na? See, again if you take a point or something, again it will become 0. After it will become 0, again you have to take by 8 table. The same recurring decimal you'll be able to get. So then what you have to do? Then you have to stop after the 3 decimals. I have got I is equals to 0.181. Now what they are asking us? They are asking us to find the resistance of a bulb. So now what we have to do? R is equals to V by I. R is equals to V, how much they have given, which is nothing but 220 volt divided by. So now you see I have taken what? 0.181. So it is not necessary after point you should take 3 digits or something. If you just take 2 digits, that is more than enough. Okay na? So that will be how much I'll be taking as 0.18. Now, after point, how many numbers are there? After that is nothing but 2 numbers, correct na? So what you have to do? Multiply to the numerator and denominator by 100. Now what will happen? As I already told you, whenever you multiply the number, the point will get shifted towards my right hand side. So how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So this will be 1 and 2. So R is equals to, now this will just normally get multiplied 2, 2, 0 and followed by 2 zeros divided by how much? It will be 18. Try to just cancel by 2 table. 2 how much are? 2 9s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are, 3 zeros as it is. Now R is equals to 11000 divided by 9. 9 ones are how much? It is 9. If you subtract 9 minus 11 is how much? It is equals to 2. Now bring 0 down. 9 how much are? 9 2s are, it will be 18. Again 20 minus 18 is how much? It is 2. Now again bring this 0 down. Again 2s are how much? It will be 18. Then again you'll be getting 2 only. Then again you bring this 0 down. So you'll be getting 2. So you can just stop off over here. Again it will be again 2s are, again it will be 18. Again it just goes on or something. Again you'll get 0.22. So just write it as R is equals to 1222. Resistance has been given by what unit? That is nothing but ohm. Okay now, so make sure whenever you are getting an recurring decimals or something, see here why did I omitted this 0.2 means because this is lesser than 5. Whenever the value comes lesser than 5 or something, then what I can do? I can just omit the value. Understood? When it is more than 5, I need it because I can round it off the next number. So you can just keep it as resistance is equals to 1222 ohm. That's all is your solution.